Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can block and unblock someone on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide and this is quite easy to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. And right after, to go ahead and proceed, you want to navigate through the messaging icon at the bottom of your screen, which is basically this one. And it will take us to the messaging section of our Snapchat. Now in here, you want to go ahead and locate the person that you want to block or unblock on your account. In my case, I'll go ahead and use this person as an example. You want to hold click on this person right here, and right after, you want to click on manage friendship. Inside, we have the ability to block this friend or remove this person. You can just go ahead and click on block in order to block this person. And if you have blocked this person already, the unblocked option will be enabled in here, so you can just go ahead and click on it. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.